Really?
Well.
Oh, this said, well, that's not your burp.
No, that was my silent part.
Oh my gosh, he's not even lying either. Is that actually soda?
I haven't farted yet. Yeah, you know I haven't farted yet. It's okay.
He's yelling at you, Jason.
Nasty girls.
No,
I'm really burping on her.
Okay.
Which
Wow.
is the man at this table? Look at Mom! Look at...
Oh,
takes it that way.
The wind is blowing that way, thank you.
His tongue is bleeding.
That was a good one.
His tongue is not bleeding.
Yeah, back here is
It's
bleeding.
probably the juice he's drinking.
he's drinking red Gatorade, babe.
You drinking my Gatorade?
It went from poor baby to I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, his tongue is bleeding! He's drinking my Gatorade!
Where's my Gatorade at? Did he drink it out? Did he drink my Gatorade out?
Gatorade.
Okay, Angel, it's your turn.
Whose bread is this?
I just said.
Don't touch it. It's mine.
Hold on, I need
No, I'm just
one
kidding. It's really not.
Whose bread is this?
Mine's
That's yours. Here.
Whose baby is this?
Do something with it. Don't be wasteful.
Okay.
He's dead. Maria was all scared.
I think I once had a fart that sounded like that. I'm not gonna lie.
No, she'd really be burping.
You what?
That's my